What's up guys, it's Slaughter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this notebook draw image out of any picture you have into a simple, fast, effective and totally free way using Google Gemini, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. This is very important and help me a lot. After, go to Google and type Google Gemini, just like this. Then you're going to be able to see this option right here. Click into this plus button next to Ask Gemini and go to Upload Files. Once right here, you're going to select a photo of yours, just like this. Wait for the photo to upload. Then into this option where you can see Fresh next to this microphone icon, you can change, okay, for the biggest version available, and into the thinking level. For better results, I recommend that you use Extend, but I'm gonna create one using Standard so you can see. Then use this prompt right here. Convert this image into a colorful hand-drawn notebook sketch, just like this, okay? Click on this Enter button or type Enter. And let's wait. I won't cut the video, so the first standard thinking level, it's really fast to create images, so nothing to worry. You should have your image in 1 minute or less, but I'm already created one previously so you can see the result. I'm gonna open Gemini while we wait, redo the process on the image. But I'm gonna change the thinking level to Extend, okay? Just to see the results. While we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video, okay? And if you have some suggestions to the prompt, you can type into the comments as well. And here is the result I got out of this prompt. They got the orange background color to the orange on the image. I think it's very good. Here's the first result I got. Let's wait for the final one. So as you can see, every time you try to create the image, it gives to you, it feedbacks you with a different image, okay? And here is the final result. I think it's nice. I think my favorite one was this one, but I think it's nice as well. Try on yours and let me know into the comments what results you got, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!